As we move on through this new wave of COVID, unfortunately, we will have to redeploy some staff from some areas of the organisation to support that. And part of that means that we won't be able to do all the operations we might have done previously. So from this weekend, unfortunately, we will have to stop doing some of our routine elective orthopaedic work to allow us to open more beds to care for patients both with COVID and non-COVID. Within Belfast, the number of infections amongst the population has risen from around 1,100 a couple of weeks ago to 2,800 in the past 7 days. That doubling has seen a doubling of admissions to the Mater Hospital of patients with COVID. A week ago we had around 27 patients, and now that is up to over 60 patients, some of whom are ventilated. The majority of these patients are unvaccinated. It's really important that we understand that not being vaccinated increases your risk of catching COVID, it increases your risk of getting sick with COVID, it increases your risk of being admitted with COVID, and it increases your risk of being ventilated. Some of these patients are young patients, and we are seeing that in that younger group between 20 and 40, that there isn't the same vaccination pickup as there would be in older patients. Now, I accept that the risk of dying in that age group is small, but there are other risks of contracting COVID in that age group, including long COVID. Learning to live with COVID is not about pretending it doesn't exist, it's about getting vaccinated, because vaccination is the way out of this for all of us. I would urge anybody that hasn't been vaccinated to avail of our vaccine centre. It's open every day from 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock in the evening, and we are running special clinics around the city, including the Whitlow Hall this weekend. If you're a young person that hasn't been vaccinated, I would urge you to get vaccinated. Not only will you protect yourself, but you will protect your friends and your family.